Vroom. Hola, trashidelek. Yeah, 아니, 떡점 리비션인다. 떡점 리비션. 하고서나, hola, so. The three root sound. Ah, ha, 좋아. 음. Then we know from we learned sa, pa. Okay? And from ha, we learned ha, right? Mm. Then from till now we learned this much. Ruwa? Ra, ma, na, la, tha, kha, pa. Ruwa? Hmm? So then we know when there is a prefix or letter on the top, the main sound changes. Right? For example, tha becomes the, right? Let's take a word like tha la tel. Oh, tha la del. Tel. Del. We can see the difference here. Rua? Hmm? Now let's say sometimes there is no prefix, only superscript. Rua? Sa tha ta da la del.
Del.
Effect is same. Au tha la del. Sa tha ta da la del. Del. Del.
Del.
How goes ma? Now let's say sometimes there is both prefix and superscript. How sa tha ta da la del.
Del.
Effect is same. Whether both of them is exists or only one of them exists. Effect is same. How goes ma? Hmm? So we see one changes from normal to more bass, tha to the, tel to del. We can see here. Now there is other change. There are only two types of change, right? One is more bass, one is higher. For example, let's take na here. Okay? Na, sa, ne. Na, sa, ne. Let's take a prefix. Khao, na, sa, ne. Ne, 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 ne. Na, 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 na. Ne, ne. Like this. We can see one goes higher, one goes bolder. That's it. Only these two options. When there is prefix or superscript, the sound changes to only these two types. I call it bolder or higher. How goes ma? Then we can almost say na will not have both of effect. This word main sound will get only one of the effect. Either it will go higher or bolder. In case of na, it goes higher, na to na. In case of tha, it goes bolder, tha to the, like this. So that's it. Little bit revision here. How goes ma? So then we learned some word with the suffix like a tha and sa, a sound. Remember? Gay, pay, like this. Okay? Then ka, makiku mika mik, tha makiku mika mik, like this.
Mickey.
Remember? Okay? Then we have la, L sound, pa la pel, ratata da la del. Remember?
Del.
Then we have na suffix. La, na, len, n sound. Ma jumbo me, na, men. Samata ma, na, men. Like this. How goes ma? Hmm? Okay? That's it. Then we learn how to read superscript. Ruba, sa, tha, tak, da. Like, please practice this habit. How goes, ma? That's it. Then we learn the first question. Di karere. Right? Then opposite of re, mare. Ruba? Like this. Then we also learned question di look repe. Repe. Right? Now let's practice little bit. Ruba, pema jimbala in that. Trashid delek pema jimbala.
Excuse me, I don't
Kasi
remember the
talaga na.
last sentence.
Oh,
Oh, sorry.
yes, Susi Lunala. Tungtang. Yes.
The last sentence that you said, I didn't remember. Can
You
you say it again? What is it?
di karere.
That one, okay. And mare. Mare.
Mare is negative.
Pa? What is pa?
Now here, pay is like a question here.
Pe.
Okay? Mare
Oh,
pay.
base question.
Here.
Oh.
Here, when you say repe, when you say re, it ends the sentence. When you just add pay, it becomes question, is it?
Oh.
When you say
Okay.
mare pay, isn't it? Negative, like this. For example, if I ask you, di look repe, I'm asking, is it look? How goes on? Like this. Di look mare pay, isn't it look? Like this. How goes on? Now let's practice little bit. Okay? Pema jimbala trashi delek.
Kasi talaga na.
Pema jimbala trashi delek. Di karere.
Kasi di lucre.
Ah, di look repe.
Re, di lucre.
Di ra marepe.
Mare, di ra, mare, di lucre.
That's it. Finish. We can imitate us. How goes on? Very good. Pe agosun thong. Pema jimbala tujichi. Tene ya Adam la inda. Adam la. Trashi delek. Adam la. Adam
Președele,
la. Di karere.
di lamre,
Ah, di lam repe.
di lamre,
Ale. Di loma marepe.
di loma, mare,
Di lam re. You
di
can
lamre.
go. That's it. Pe ako sung sung. Adam la. Tuji che.
Tu zice,
La so. Taya susi luna la inda. Susi luna la. Yeah. Tashi delek susi luna la. Oh yeah.
Tashidele,
Susi luna la. Di karire. Di karire.
digo re,
Hmm. Ah. Di go repe.
re, digo repe, digo re,
Di mik marepe.
mare, di mic mare,
Very good. Di go re. Like
digo re,
correct me.
digo re.
Very good. Like this. Pe ako sung sung. Susila. Tujiche. Like this we can practice. Ako sunga. Yeah. Ani. Imbad la inda. Imbad la. Trashida like. Imbad la yube. Imbad. I-M-B-E-R-T. Trashida like. Imbad la. Ale. Imbad. Sanam jaga la inda. Sanam jaga la.
Tashidele,
Trashida like. Sanam jaga la. Di karire.
di rire,
Ah. Di re repe.
di re di rire
That's it. Di ra marpe.
ra mare di rire.
That's it. Ra mare di ri. 빼하고. 도지치.
Thank you. 그시지.
빼하고. I want to say also please imitate how to ask question. Right now you are only answering. 그봐? 디 가리래. 아! 디 리레베. 디 라 마레베. Like this. 그봐? You can argue like this. Okay? 하고도 야, 되네. 이용라인다. 이용라.
Kashi
다시 derek 이용라. 이용라. 디당 디. 하고 순간 디당 디 가레레. Uh-huh.
Re Đi thẳng
Uh-huh.
Đi thẳng
Uh-huh.
Đi thẳng Đi carere
That's it. That's the question. I can only say di karere. Or if there is two of them, di tang di, this and this. Raba? So right now here, di tang di karere. Like this.
Đi thẳng Đi carere
How would you answer, Yongla?
Đi thẳng Mic rề
Di tang di mikre. Okay, this and this. Tang and and. How goes one? Di tang di mikre. Like this.
Đi thẳng Đi mic rề
That's it. Well, how goes one? Di tang di mikrepe.
Rề Đi thẳng Đi mic rề
That's it. Di tang di so marpe.
Mà rề Đi thẳng Đi so mà rề Đi thẳng Đi mic rề
That's it. 빼하고. 이혼라 빼하고 숭숭. 도지체.
Thúc chê chê
So we can see here, di tang di, this and this. You can also say te tang te, that and that. Raba? 하고 숭아? di tang di 카레레. di tang di make repe. Like this. 도지체. 야, 마리아나라인다, 마리아나라.
Lasso,
다시 델렉 마리아나.
dashi dele,
마리아나라, 디 카레레.
ah, di sore,
아, 디 소레페.
re, di sore,
디 믹 마르페.
mare, di mic mare, di sore,
That's it. 빼하고 숭숭. 두지치. 올라서
lasso,
마리아나라 두지치. Like this, we can do. 하고 숭아? 잠깐만 찍고. 1 minute. Yeah. That dua. We will read this conversation, okay? We have here green and yellow here, okay? Yeah. Let's do it between Dang Noi Tang Fang Fang. Okay? Dang Noi Janguyin, greenin. Fang Fang Serpoyin, yellowin. We're talking about this picture, okay? Lasso, Dang Noi La, Loronang.
Di kur repa.
Repe, pasa
Oh,
pe.
repe.
Well, di kur repe, like this. Ni Fang Fang.
Mare, mare, di kur mare, tebre.
That's it. Di kur mare, tepre. Well, Dang Noi La.
Ale kur mare pe.
Mare, kur mare, tebre.
That's it.
A.
Yeah.
Oh, ya. Te let pa.
Re, tebre.
That's it. Whether we understood or not, we read very well. That's good enough. Now let's break it down. Di kur repe. Kur. If you remember, we know kur is a tent. Remember? Tent. Remember? Now we're looking at this picture. Remember? We know also book is tab. Remember? Tab. Pa dengbo tab, pa tab. Okay? If it's a new word, you can write down. Kur here. Kashapkyu kur ra kur tent. Pa dengbo te pa tab book. Of course, like this. Okay? Hola. So now conversation started. Remember? Di kur repe. Di kur repe. Then mare. Di kur mare. Di tap re or shortcut. Tap re. Like this. How goes on? Then we have here ale. It's like a oh. Ale. Kur marpe. How goes on? We all know this. Kur marpe. Like this. Then mare. Kur mare. Tap re. Like this. Full answer. Mare. Di kur mare. Tap re. Like this. Then we hear, yeah, okay. Yeah, like this. Colloquial. How goes, Yeah, teprewa, like this. But you cannot use this yeah for any type of okay situation. Not all the, okay? In this situation, you can say yeah, like this. How goes, as a acceptance. Not like okay, this is the right one, not that one. Okay as an acceptance. Oh, you wanna eat momo? Yeah. Like this. Acceptance. Yeah. Then tap repa. Like this. Right? So I wanna say here, when the pa is the second syllable, you read it as a wa. No problem. It will come again and again. How goes, Some Tibetans say repa, no problem. How goes, But keep in mind, When the pa is in the second syllable, it is read as wa. Pronounced as wa, like this. Let me give you some example here.
And what is the meaning of that pa?
Oh, yes, I will tell you. But here, let's say pa, and the second syllable is pa here. So you don't say ka pa, you say kawa, like this. That's what I meant. When the pa is second syllable or third syllable, you read it as wa, like this. Okay? No need to know this. I'm introducing right now. Okay? It will come again. Now we come back here. In this wa, what is the wa means here? It means a confirmation. It's book, right? Like this. In English, you say a word, right? But in this, the tab rewa, like I need confirmation here. Rewa. Then one of them confirm. Re, tab re, or re, the tab re, like this. 하고승이, Rewa. If you notice, I also say hakosongwa, wa, that's wa. I need confirmation. Then you say hakosong, understood. Like this. That's one example. hakosongwa, like this. Okay. So you understood here. hakosongwa. So, Taya inda. Dawalada Candice inda. Let's one more time. Others can read in the mute. Practice them. Dawala Jankuin. Candice la Serpoin. Lorona.
Di kurrepe.
Mare di kur mare di tebre.
Ale kur mare be.
Mare, kur mare, tebre.
Ya, tebre ba.
Ze, tebre.
They already read all the dialogue.
Yes.
Ale kurmarepe.
Mare kur mare tebre.
Ya, tepreva.
Re tebre.
That's it. Re, di tep re. Like this. Agosma. Pe agosung song. Tujiche. Raso. Like this. Hakosuma. Taya, Ruyunla in the Ruyunla. Ruyunla di karire.
Di sacre.
Di so marepe.
Mare. Di so mare. Di sacre.
Ya, di sarewa.
Re. Di sacre.
Like this. Hakosuma. Without text. Practice. Rwa? Yeah, dene di inda. Imogen la inda. Imogen la. Try chikimbe. Tashi delek imogen la. Imogen la duge. Ale, we lost him. Ale, dudu. Imogen la tashi delek. Di karire. Ale, imogen la, we don't have it. Oh,
Hello,
tashi delek.
Sorry, I'm not following properly today. I've got a headache.
Oh,
I'm just
no problem.
listen. I hope that's okay.
Lasu. Okay.
Thank you. Sorry.
Okay. That's it. Okay. 빼하고 송송. last. Yeah. Okay. That's it. Now we learn some kind of questioning. Di karere. Di ri repe. Di ri rewa. Di ri marepe. I wanna say because mostly I ask question in my previous experience. Students have very good in answering, but little bit stuck in questioning. Practice questioning also. Imitate me also. Lasso. Di karere. Like this. Te karere. Instead of di, you can say te karere here. Hmm? Then if you remember, we learned a question. Kong sure. For human. We can say kong. No gender specific here. You can use it for anyone. 콩수레. I didn't say 콩가레레. 콩수레. Like, okay? Yeah, practice in the. Adamla in the. 다시 like. Adamla 콩수레.
Presidele Tanzania Kong Michael Jackson re.
콩 마이클 조던 마르베.
Michael Jordan Mare Be Kong Michael Jackson re.
아네. 야, 콩 마이클 잭슨 레와.
Re Michael Jackson re.
That's it. Same. 콩수레. Like it. 콩 마이클 잭슨 레. 콩 페마 짐바 레. 콩 수시 루나 레. 콩 Adam 레. Now when you say 콩, it's a third person. Not second person, not first person. We're talking about the third person. 콩수레, 콩수레. Like this. Pewa. That's it. Okay. It is on. Then here, Rava. Yeah. Susi Lunara in the Tilorona. Try reading this.
Dilire pa. Dilire pa.
You can read one by one.
Di li
Li mare
re
naro redua. La naro lo.
la narolo li. Dra por re ta re. Pa sa pa.
Pe, a sound.
Pe. Oh, pe.
We know that when there is a sa or tha suffix, it makes a sound. Pe. In the pasa pe. Rava? So, Yankar Lorona. Again in the.
Aota kikut di lao narolo re tremporreta re pasa pe di li repe
Lo repe. That's it.
di lo repe.
That's it. How goes on? Di
Di
lo
lo repe.
repe. Like this.
Di
Then answer
lo
here. Yeah.
repe.
Lotha.
Mare. Lo mare. Li re.
That's it. lo mare, li re. What? Like this. So here, chikbarwa. Di kur repe or di thep repe. Like this. How goes ma? Very good, very good. I can see Susai Lunala, you started learning with me. You didn't learn before.
Yeah. Never. You're my first Tibetan teacher.
I can see that. That's it. Very good. Yakulosong. When you read it slowly, take your time. No hurry. Agosma. Like this. Okay. Teneya, sonam dolgarla inda. Sonam dolgara dilorona. Mute redu. Sonam dolgara.
Sorry. Di tebrepe.
Very good. Di tebrepe. Like this.
Di tebrepe.
Any?
Re. Di tebre.
That's it. Agosma. Payable. Please put some feelings in it when you say. Di tebrepe. Like this. Ruba? Re. Di tebre. Like this. Okay?
Okay.
Payable song. Payable lo song. Tujiche. Ionla in the Ionla.
Di mare pe.
Payable. How would you answer?
Di re. Di mare.
That's it. Re. Di mar re. That's it. Ionla payable song. Tujiche. Teneya, tang noila. Try chigimbe. Dilorona.
Di ri re pe.
Payable. Any?
Mare. Ri mare. Kur re.
Payable also. Tang noila. Tujiche. Very good. Hola, so. Yeah, the name Candice in that. Candice la dilorona.
Di lo marebe.
How would you answer?
Mare di lamre.
Payable. Loma mare, lamre. Mare. Loma mare, lamre. Or mare. Di loma mare. Di lamre. Full answer. Right? Payable song. Candice la tujiche. Teneya dawala inda. Looking at the answer, can you make the question?
Re pugure. Di pugurepe.
Yeah. Looking at the answer, re, puku re, di,
Re pugure.
repi. Like this. How goes, ma? You see here something else? We didn't learn how to read this yet, so no need to worry about it. Just put the mouse here. Pashapkyupu, kashapkyuku, puku. How goes, ma? Like this. Then we have here di lakpa repe. Di lakpa repe. Like this. How goes, ma? Re. Di lakpa re. Then we also know how to say di tang di lakpa re. Like this. Di tang di mik mare. Di tang di lakpa re. Like this. Roa? Lasso. Mariana Lainda. Looking at the question answer here, can you make the question?
Di sa repe.
Yeah. Any answer?
Mare. Di sa mare. Di sore.
That's it. 빼하고 숭숭 투지시. 올라서. Then today we will learn one new question, very colloquial. 하고 숭아. Yeah. 들어봐. 야, 이용라인다. 이용라 딜로로나.
Ri lắp na kha re.
That's it. 리 랍나 카레레. 빼야 불러서. So we already know di 카레레. 들어봐. Now here, 랍나 is the other way of question. What is called re? Like this. What is meaning of re? In a colloquial way. That's how you ask. Re labna karere. Now next time when I write something word you don't understand, let's say kong here, then you can say, oh, kong labna karere. Mik labna karere. So labna karere. Go labna karere. Hagosuma? Then when you answer, if you can point at it, you can point at it and answer. Go lapna dire. Like this. Go is called this one. Ri lapna dire. Or ri lapna there. Like this. Or if you say kong lapna karere, I cannot point at it. Then I can mention other words or translation. Kong labna, he or she re. Like this. For today's society, Kong labna, he or she, they, them, sangma re. Like this. Like this. Hapar labna, mobile re. Like this. Chu labna, water re. Like this. Paglep labna, chapati re. Or roti re. Like this. How goes, ma? So that's one way of asking question. How goes, ma? Ri labna karere. Paglep labna karere. Kunchok sum labna karere. Sadhana labna karere. Meditation labna karere. Inner change labna karere. Like this. So that's how you can ask question. goes one? If somebody asks, Li lapna khare re, I would answer, Li lapna di re. I can point it here. So when you say di, you have to point at it. Li lapna di re. Thep lapna di re. Very good. Pe yakulogi du. Any pronunciation yang yapuduk. Our pronunciation is very good. So, then we have here ka, tha, na, pa, pa, ma, a, ra, la, sa, ha, a. 하고서 도지치 and 아, 하, 아, 좋아. Okay. Today we will learn some more alphabet here, okay? If you look at here, it's a category, and we read them as ta, ta, like this. 하고서 ta, ta. You can just look at it now and observe it, shape and everything. 하고서 ta, ta. Then here we have cha, cha, cha. Okay. Then here we already introduced this. Ka, ka. Here. Okay. Hola. Then we have here nga, ra, ya. Okay. Let's see if we have how to write this ta here. Okay. So you can see how to write the ta here. Okay. Ta, ya, cha. Okay. I'll add it here. From a category, we got ta and cha here. From ha category, we got ka. From a category, we got a new one. Is ya here. Okay. So if you look at them, You may confuse tha and ta, but look at them side by side. You will see. Tha here, a category. Ta here, a category. You can see the difference here. Okay? One, some of us will confuse between ah and ya. Look at side by side here. We know ah is here. Ya, category here. Two different categories. Similar look. Then if we look at here, ka as a ha category and ka. If you put them side by side, you will see they are different. Here. Okay? Hola. Tadedoa. Ah, sa, pa, ta, cha, ta, cha, ha, ka, ra, ma, na, la, tha, ka, pa, ya, tha, ta, ya, ha. Ako semua? Lalu. Ya, ini pema jimbala diloronan.
Di carere.
Vemo. Di carere pema jimbala.
Di metocre.
That's it. Metok. We have a new word here for flower. Ako semua? Madengbo me ta naruto katok. Metok. Ako semua? Di metok re. Like this. Madengbo me ta naruto katok. Metok. Diba? Kaya kulot. Di karere, di metok re. Laso. Tang noela inda. Tang noela dilorona.
제 가래래.
Kaya. Te karere.
제 강빠래.
That's it. Kaya po. Te kangpa re. That's it. Ka. Kangpa re. Like this. Now we have new word. Kangpa. House. Okay? Not home. House. Kangpa. Ka nga kangpa. Kangpa. Te kangpa re. 빼하고 송송 캔디스라 투지 당노엘라 투지치 라수 따디 Fang lainda. Diloro na.
You love you love Lagna Karere.
That's it. You labna karere. That's Ani diloro na.
You Lagna Dire.
That's it. You labna dire. Khangpa labna dire. You labna dire. You turquoise. Okay, very good. Now we come back here. Okay, we notice here. We notice ma becomes ma, na becomes na, tha becomes da, kha becomes ga, pa becomes ba. We just notice ya becomes ya. How goes ma? That's why. That's why just now our friend did not say you. She said you. Ya. You. Because of the prefix. Khao ya shabkyu you. No prefix you. How goes one? You. You labna kharere. You labna dire. Khangpa labna dire. So labna dire. Right? Hola. Tene, yeah, dawala inda. Dawala dilorona.
Kha labna karere.
Yeah.
Kha labna dire.
That's. I suggest you when you say dire, don't just read it, point at it. Akosunga, okay? We already know so teeth. Now we know ka mouth. Akosunga. Ha labna karere. You can point at your mouth and say ha labna dire. Like this. Ka. Okay? Yapuduk. Okay. Tene ya import line da. Import la try chigi be. Ale import la yo samare kongo matong. Tene ya sonam line da. Sonam la tilorona.
Cha, this one. Ka. Labna karere.
Achak. Achak.
Achak. Labna karere.
That's it. We have here cha ka chak achak. Ruba, how goes me? Achak labna karere. Like then I would answer achak labna dire. Kongre. Like we know Kong as a third person. Ruba? Yeah, dilorona.
So what is meaning of the achak?
Sister.
Sister.
Elder sister. If you look at here. Achak labna karere. Then you said, yeah, Sonam Dogala Tilorona.
Achak lapna lapna more.
That's it. You didn't say dire because it's human, Ruba.
Okay.
You say kongre as a gender neutral. If you say more specific, gender specific for female,
She.
she rays. Of course, no? Achak labna more.
Achak lapna more.
Gender specific. Of course, no? For female, more. Mo Susi Luna Re. Mo Sonam Dolkar Re. Like this. Of course, no? Then for male, you can say, just say ko instead of kong with the nga. Get rid of nga and it becomes he. Right? Kore. He or him. Kanaru ko. Of course, no? So here we have Achak labna karere. Achak labna more. Like that. So labna karere. So labna dire. Mik labna karere. Mik labna dire. Go labna karere. Go labna dire. Like this. Achak labna karere. Achak labna more. Agosma? Olas. Ya, tene susila dilorona.
Chocho labna karere.
That's it. Chocho labna karere. Now we see Chocho as the elder brother. Agosma?
Oh.
Like this. Ya, ni dilorona.
Chocho labna cobre.
Chocho labna kore.
Corre. Co.
Agosma?
Co is for
Male.
he and mo is for she.
That's it. But we know Kong is gender neutral. Right? Like that. You can also say Achak labna Kong re. As a gender neutral, you can use this. Instead of mo, you can say Kong re. But you can also say mo re, more specific. Chocho labna ko re or Kong re. So that's it. Many things not good. So we have Friday, Saturday, Sunday, a gap. I would please suggest us to practice a little bit every day. Agosma, don't lose the touch. That's all I want to say. Thank you very much. Tashi Dalek, boom boom shagalaga. That's it.
Pasitele Chansina.
Shirele. Thank you.
Cece lasanla. Tistile.
That's all. And bye bye. Tata.
Bye bye. Tata.
That's